In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TP-Link extender to new router. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a very easy method to reset any TP-Link repeater that you have. I'm going to be showcasing this process with this particular model, but any other model should also have a reset function. So if you look at the back or below your particular TP-Link repeater, you will see the reset button. This is how you will be performing a factory reset. Keep in mind that even if you don't see the reset button and you see something else like parent, this process will also work. It should be the only button available at the back or below the repeater. So all that you have to do is find something like a paper clip and use it to press this button for about 10 seconds. So once you locate the reset button, assuming that it is indeed labeled reset, just use a paperclip, a pin, or a similar pointed object to gently press and hold this button down for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you do this, it is going to be factory reset. And now just wait for reboot. So the repeater or the extender will now reboot and return to its factory default settings. This might take a few minutes. When all LEDs stabilize, this will indicate that it is ready to use again. After resetting, you will need to configure it to connect to your new router, so you can use a web browser and go to tplinkrepeater.net or the default IP of the extender, which is usually 192.168.0.254. Then you will get a prompt on screen, create a login password if this is the first time using it, and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up, which I'm not going to cover in too much detail. You can also use WPS to connect your router to the actual extender or repeater. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset TP-Link extender to new router. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.